Hello and welcome to Beautiful Mind Institute. I am Arun Kumar. We are discussing research methods for UPSC and UGC NET GRF. Everything from A to Z. And in this regard, I am going to discuss about one important method of psychology, and that is called the survey method. Survey method, as this name is very clear, is used when we are interested in knowing what is going in the mind of the people, what opinions are held by the people, what are the attitude of the individuals. And remember, when we are interested not only in single but several individuals, जब हम एक से ज़्यादा लोगों पे इंटरेस्ट रखते हैं, for example, exit poll survey. If one individual is there, what inferences you can draw about the result of the election? You cannot. So our interest in that condition would be in group of individuals, large number of people. So we employ survey method, and survey method is the method that we have taken from sociology. This is not the original method of psychology. Remember this thing. But yes, many times we become interested in behavior of several individuals, not single individual. Remember this thing. In that case, and it is very powerful tools. Okay, but this method is called more appropriately a survey method. Sorry, sample survey method. What is the meaning of that? I will let you know. First, you answer these questions. Suppose you want to know that what is more important in married life. Married life में क्या ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है? Sex or feeling of companionship? Suppose this is the question. Can you answer of your own? Can you answer through experimental method? Answer is no. Can you answer with a naturalistic observation? No, because that will employ huge efforts for single things. But here you are interested in what are the opinion of large number of people. So the best method will be survey method. So how survey method is used, what is its merit, what is limitation, we will discuss everything. Okay, let's start. Here is the survey method. I hope you have understood what is the meaning of the survey method. Survey is a method of psychology where we try to gauge the people's mind, what is going there, what kind of opinions are being held over there on some issues. Attitude, many times you will come to know attitudinal survey. Getting? So opinion or attitudes में जब interest होता है we resort to this method. So what is survey method? You know this. How it is carried out? It's अगर आपको मैं ये बताऊं कि इसका characteristics क्या है, nature क्या है, तो this method is descriptive, means what you want to know what. जैसे who is more popular, Rahul Gandhi or Prime Minister Modi. Okay, so one method will be that you see the followers list. ठीक है, but suppose you doubt that I do not go by that Twitter handles or all these things. I want to know directly from the people. You will conduct survey. Who will be winning in the upcoming elections in Bengal, for example? You will conduct pre-poll survey. Survey method is very popular method. और पॉलिटिक्स में तो बहुत ज़्यादा मेथड ओपिनियन, जहाँ एटीट्यूड की ज़रूरत है वहाँ पे बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है ना. लेट्स से माइंड में देखना है क्या चल रहा है. तो व्हाट इज सर्वे मेथड? अंडरस्टूड. इट्स कैरेक्टरिस्टिक अंडरस्टूड. कैरेक्टरिस्टिक मीन्स इट गॉग्स द डिस्क्रिप्टिव रियलिटी, व्हाट, व्हेन, वेयर, ये सब चीज़ों का आंसर कर सकता है ये. एंड हाउ इट इज कैरिड आउट. सी, if you want to know about the people of, suppose Bengal, that suppose in Bengal, one constituency is there. You want to know there are candidates. You want to know who will win the election. Now what you will do? In constituency, so many people are there. So many people are there. तो अभी सबको आप नहीं कर सकते ना. So you will do one thing. You will decide that how many people are there. Suppose 5 lakhs people are there. Hypothetically. So suppose you take you make a plan to make a sample of that population. I will take a sample on that population. Sample is a cross section on that population. And so you will cut a sample. This will be called sample. Okay. This is population, entire population. Population. Okay. So sample is a cross section, and you take this thing, randomly selected. Whoever are there in the sample, suppose 5000 में जो भी होगा उसको आपने randomly select किया. There are other method of sampling also. We will discuss separately. वो sampling में हम discuss करेंगे. Here our focus is on survey method. Sampling पे नहीं, इसलिए इसको मैं बता रहा हूँ. There are many technical process to cut sample. Okay. आपने इसको ले लिया, suppose 5K का आपने एक sample बना लिया. But randomly पूरे क्षेत्र से लेंगे, है ना? Okay. Now what will you do? You will use one or two instrument. One is called questionnaire. Questionnaire मतलब इसमें एक क्वेश्चंस बना रहता है, एक बहुत सारे, जैसे 50 क्वेश्चंस है या 20 क्वेश्चंस है, 20. इसमें आपको सबके क्वेश्चंस है और उसके ऑप्शंस दिए हैं. Here person will go, surveyor will go and will ask the question from the paper. It could be mail survey also, कुछ भी हो सकता है, लेकिन इस तरह से पूछा जाता है. The question is fed, and here this is also like sampling. ये जो sample है, ये भी questionnaire भी बनाना एक आर्ट है, आर्ट एंड साइंस है. So separately इस पे questions बन सकता है कि what is questionnaire, what is the merit, what is the limitation, how it is conducted. But here my focus is on survey method. So इसमें भी नहीं जाएंगे, लेकिन survey questionnaire. Likewise, another instrument is, within a method several instruments could be used. So I am telling you, one instrument is questionnaire and second one is interview. These two instruments are used to collect data from people. Understood? Okay. So from population you cut a sample, and these questions, either this and this or this, मतलब दोनों हो सकता है या दोनों में से कोई एक यूज हो सकता है. आप यहां से पूछ, ठीक है. Once you do this thing, now you will get your data. अब आपको रिस्पॉन्स मिल जाएंगे लोगों के. Getting? So जब आप once you get the data, then you can analyze those data. जिसको कहते हैं डेटा प्रोसेसिंग. उसको आप ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे, एनालाइज करेंगे, उसका इन्फ्रेंसेस निकालेंगे, स्टैटिस्टिकल इन्फ्रेंसेस निकालेंगे. हाउ? See, come forward. In I think 1984 in UK there was a sample survey. मतलब क्या था उसमें, वैसे exactly what is more important in married life, for a fulfilling married life, क्या important ज़्यादा है, सेक्स और फीलिंग ऑफ कंपेनियनशिप. फीलिंग ऑफ कंपेनियनशिप दोनों में क्या जरूरत ज़्यादा है? दिस वाज द क्वेश्चन. और उसके बाद उससे आधार पे कई क्वेश्चंस बनाए गए थे, एंड रेस्पोंडेंट वर ब्रिटिश इंडिविजुअल्स. यूके में हुआ था ये सब. एंड ये इस नाम से सेक्सुअल बिहेवियर, ये लाइफ स्टाइल, इस नाम से एक ब्रिटेन में मैगजीन आई थी, उसमें ये पब्लिश हुआ था. यू आर गेटिंग? दिस वाज द क्वेश्चन वाज व्हाट वाज द सर्वे क्वेश्चंस. थीम ये था, उसमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस थे, बट एक क्वेश्चंस उठा लिया मैंने, उस पे कैसे किया जाता है. इस थीम पे क्वेश्चंस बनेंगे, उस पे आंसर किया लोगों ने। ओके, जैसे हु इज द मोर पॉपुलर प्राइम मिनिस्टर, तो आप कई तरह से क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं। यू आर गेटिंग डिफरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस कुड बी आस्क्ड, and then their data were analyzed. Getting? So that was presented in a very clumsy manner, but I can tell you that this was the things that male, female, about 67% और about 68%, अबाउट बोल रहा मैं, अबाउट। इसने कहा कि इस क्वेश्चन में यस कहा। क्वेश्चन वाज, इज फीलिंग ऑफ कंपेनियनशिप मोर इंपॉर्टेंट दैन सेक्स? इस क्वेश्चन के जवाब में is more important than sex, इसके जवाब में this was the response pattern, परसेंटेज में इस तरीके से था। You are getting? Now this was the process that you take the data and then you analyze the data and you present the data. Finally what you say that this is, मतलब अगर आप 100% देखें तो यहाँ पे बाकी चीजों का मतलब होगा, वो इसका मतलब होगा, ये सेक्स का मतलब है, लेकिन ये जो देखिए ये कितना है बड़ा, ये देखो ये कंपेनियनशिप का है। उसी तरीके से ये वाला जो है कंपेनियनशिप का, तो इसमें भी होगा ना। क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है ज्यादा, when depict this thing. So on when you get the data from a large pool of sample, then you analyze those data, process those data, analyze those data and make inferences. Inferences क्या हुए? That this was the sample, this was the population, you have taken this as a sample. Okay, so what is the opinion of this sample? मतलब whoever are in this sample, what is their opinion? That feeling of companionship is more important than sex. Okay, can we say that this holds good for this opinion is actually the reflection of the opinion of the entire population? You can say, because this sample has been taken from there. So by the logic of induction, एक होता है ना logic, एक होता है ना deduction and induction. So logic of induction, inductive reasoning नहीं कहते. So by the logic of induction, you can say this opinion is almost for the whole population. Now come to the question of Bagnal constituency. I was saying that who will win this thing? That can you say that candidate A is more popular than candidate B in B? Suppose I have controlled everything. Then on the basis of that, you can say that okay. So in this constituency, this person is going to win. You make prediction about that. Okay, but in survey there are several precautions also. Means problem in conducting survey, कहाँ भी प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, एरर्स कहाँ आ सकता है? एक तो सैम्पलिंग में आ सकता है और दूसरा रेस्पॉन्स बायस कह सकते हैं। रिस्पॉन्स बायस तीसरा कहते, सेकंड कह सकते आप एरर इन इंस्ट्रूमेंट, जैसे सैम्पलिंग ठीक से नहीं किया तब गलती हो जाएगी। तो अगर आपने क्वेश्चन सही से नहीं बनाया, सपोज बहुत ही क्वेश्चंस आपने ऐसा पूछा जो बायस्ड है, दैट विल क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लम। इंटरव्यू में आपने इस तरह से पूछा, लगता है वो कांग्रेस जीत पाएगी बंगाल में, तो आप मुंह बना रहे हो तो अगला इन्फ्लुएंस हो सकता है उससे। सो बहुत सारे, मैं बता रहा हूँ कि एरर इन इंस्ट्रूमेंट, इंटरव्यू में मीन्स प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, क्वेश्चनियर में प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, you may ask the question that is not balanced, getting people discuss separately, that is why हम इसको शॉर्ट में कर रहे हैं. लेकिन these are the sources of error in मेथड ऑफ सर्वे. तो यहाँ गलती हो सकती है सैम्पलिंग में, तब रिजल्ट खराब हो जाएगा. अगर इसमें इंस्ट्रूमेंट में गलती हो गया, यानी कि क्वेश्चनियर में या इंटरव्यू में, उसमें भी गलती हो सकती है. रिस्पॉन्स वाइज अगर लोगों ने सही से जवाब नहीं दिया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हरी है, यस यस कह दिया, नो नो कह दिया, रिस्पॉन्स में यस बायस नो बायस कुछ भी हो सकता, देन द रिजल्ट यू ऑब्टेन will not be reliable. Reliable means consistent. If the same other person conduct the survey, result will be different. And of course, valid भी नहीं होगा. Valid मतलब truth को नहीं reflect करेगा. So if there is error, then that method will not be reliable for you. है ना? तो method में अपने आप गलती नहीं है. Method is okay. But how you do that thing, this thing में, so अभी कभी पूछे कि sources of error कहाँ से है, ये सब है. You are getting now merit of this method. Merits क्या हुआ कि अगर इस मेथड से हम यूज करेंगे तो क्या कहेंगे, very quickly you get the result. No any other method can give you the result so quickly than this method. For example, अगर आपको पूरे कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के बारे में पता लगाना था, तो कौन सा है, कैन यू डू नेचुरलिस्टिक ऑब्जर्वेशन मेथड? यू कांट डू. केस स्टडी मेथड यू कांट डू इट. दैट विल टेक टू मच टाइम, एनर्जी एंड ऑलमोस्ट इम्पॉसिबल. So this will work. So merit is that very empowering, very powerful method to know the reality, particularly the hidden reality, what is going in the mind of the people. That is not directly observable and measurable. You are discovering something. Something is hidden. This is the method that you can use this. These are powerful things. But what are the limitations? Limitations of this method क्या हो सकते, बता सकते हैं आप? कितना भी अच्छा हो, जैसे आप देखोगे कितना भी अच्छा इंस्ट्रूमेंट हो, अगर उसकी कुछ लिमिट होती है, you are getting? So this method can answer you that who will win, okay, but can you say why he will win? You cannot answer this question. This is a descriptive research tool, means descriptive research method. You cannot use for explanation. Explanation means why, getting? Because you are not conducting experiment. When you control and try to manipulate the things and want to know that what happens, cause effect relationship, that is called experimental method. Experiment, remember, experiment is the only method that is competent to answer this question why. Otherwise, rest other method is what? Descriptive method. It can tell you what, when, where, like that. It cannot tell why. Why people say companionship is more important? Because this method is not able to say exactly why. So largely this method can describe but cannot explain. Remember this. This method, the best it can describe. कितना भी अच्छा हो ये method, अपने best में क्या कर सकता है, बढ़िया से describe कर सकता है. But it cannot explain cause effect relations को नहीं बता सकता. It cannot test cause effect relationship. Getting? So this is the limitation of the method. So what we have done, जल्दी से quick recap करें इस methods. What is survey method? Its characteristics and how it is conducted, and what are the its when we conduct properly, what are the merits of this method and what are the limitations of this method. Understood? Survey method भी एक powerful method है. If you have understood, then you can write about this thing. Getting? सर्वे के बारे में बहुत कुछ लिख सकते हैं, सैम्पलिंग टूल्स ये सब सेपरेटली पढ़ेंगे हम लोग. But here I have just discussed about the essence of survey method. I hope you have understood this thing. If you have any questions regarding this thing, है ना, जैसे सैम्पलिंग होगा वो अलग से करेंगे, क्वेश्चनियर, इंटरव्यू, we will discuss separately what is that. Then you can ask in the comment box also, or directly you can ask from the WhatsApp number. I will be happy to help you. Getting? हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं रिसर्च मेथड, और जिसमें हम A to Z जाएंगे. ठीक है, सारी चीजें जो रिसर्च और स्टैटिस्टिक्स के जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट है उसको धीरे धीरे वन बाई वन करके स्टेप बाय स्टेप मेथड में समझेंगे. और जिससे कि आपका पूरा सिलेबस जो कवर हो जाए। आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस थिंग। आपके डाउट्स हो तो आप कमेंट्स में पूछिए, हमें मेल करिए, मैसेज करिए, या अगले वीडियो का इंतजार करिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।